What's up poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the OEM diverter valve on the Coalfar. So right now the revision of my diverter valve, I'll try to zoom in on the video. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. But if you can tell, the current revision that I have on my OEM DV is a revision C. And for some reason at wide open throttle, it tends to hang open and let the boost leak out, which is obviously not wanted. So I picked up this. This is the revision D diverter valve from Euro Tuning. This is supposed to have a revised design so that it doesn't, I guess, leak, and it's a bit stronger. Also, there's 70,000 on that OEM one too, so this is what we've got going on for us today, guys. Let's go ahead and see if she'll leak boost that watt anymore. So the first thing we're gonna have to do in order to get the diverter valve off is remove our intake and PCV. This is fairly easy. If you have a modified intake, you know how to take that off. Same thing if you change out your PCV, go ahead and watch my previous video if you don't know how to, but it's really simple. So since I've already shown you guys the installs for these, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off and then update you guys once all this is off. So after you get those off, there's gonna be 3 screws that you need to remove with your 5mm Allen key. There's 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and then 1 on the bottom side. Kind of hard to see, but it's tucked away behind the inlet pipe right here. Yeah, so once I get this guy off, we'll go ahead and crack these 3 and then remove the diverter valve. So here's the OEM DV versus the new DV. I can't really tell the difference beside this shroud right here that encases the revision D, whereas the revision C doesn't have that. So maybe it helps smoothen out the airflow or keep the air trapped. I don't really know the other differences besides this shroud, but let's see if she'll be able to hold boost at wide open throttle from now on. So we're gonna go ahead and install the revision D, and we'll take her on a little spin and see how she does.